I can't really see anything right now because of these trees in the way, but there's a very suspicious looking funnel. Oh shit, yeah, we gotta go, go.
Wait, what happened?
It's about to drop. Yeah, it's about to drop right on us. Holy cow.
What am I missing?
No.
Oh shit, okay, I see. Okay.
Holy cow, dude. Yep, it's right behind us. Go.
Goodness.
We gotta go.
Funnel. Yep, funnel.
Right.
Skinny funnel.
Holy cow.
Woo! Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Holy moly. Oh wow. Oh, that is violent. Oh, I'm switching lenses, okay? Ow. Oh, that is violent.
Gosh. Dude. Oh, that motion.
Oh my god. That is probably the most violent I've ever seen. Holy shit! Violent tornado. Violence. Oh my god. Holy goodness.
Dude, that's a drill bit.
It's hitting a house. It's hitting something right now.
Oh my goodness.
This camera. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That is probably the most violent tornado I have ever seen. That is the most violent tornado I have ever seen. Holy cow.
Dude. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh no. Oh my, that motion. Holy crap.
Oh my god. Oh, pray for these people. Dude. This thing, oh my god. You can hear it. Holy cow. Oh my god. Oh Lord, be with those people. Oh Lord, be with those people. All right, we are getting heavy RFD. Get inside the car. Get inside the car.
All right, we gotta go.
You want to take the highway?
Yeah. Cutting behind it.
All right. Roll your window up.
Yep. I got it.
Copy that.
All right, let me switch my lens. Back to the lens. Holy shit. Come on.
That was the most insane.
That was Greenfield 2.0.
That was so fucking violent. Holy shit. What in God's name?
We could go straight.
There's the Dominator. Fuck. Yeah. Alright.
Your right is good. This guy is going.
What the fuck? He just looped around. God damn. What is this fucking hellscape? Dude, God, that's fucking EF5 motion right there.
Yeah, that was
definitely
by far the strongest tornado I've ever seen.
Motion-wise, I think it's to our side. Cause looking on video,
Like that dark spot?
yeah, looking on video, I could see a giant dark cloud right to our side.